Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. So, children, we will begin with our class of computer for today. And today we are going to do the back worksheet, which is given to you after the chapter. Okay. So, let's begin. Here, firstly, the A part is fill in the blanks. Okay. You have to open the page number 11 in your book. It's after your first chapter, brain developer. So this is the exercise given to you at the back of the chapter. So let's begin with the fill in the blanks. So first one is a computer is a, see children, in here you are given with few hints also. Few options are given to you here in the box at the right side. So you can see. So a computer is a, firstly children, you will not look at the box. Okay, you have to hide the box and you have to try to guess the answer on your own. So a computer is a, see, there are some other initials also given to you in the boxes. Okay, so you have to complete this. A computer is a MACHINE. Okay, so you all know that a computer is a machine. Okay, नाउ यहाँ पे देखोगे चिल्ड्रन, आप हिंट में आपको यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस गिवन है, तो यहाँ पे आप फर्स्ट नंबर मार्क कर दोगे मशीन पे. ओके, देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, ईच मशीन इज मेड ऑफ डिफरेंट. You have to guess again. Each machine is made up of different. Here PARTS. Okay, so each machine is made up of different parts. So आप hints में देखो, parts को आप mark करोगे second answer. Then a computer works very fast. So FAST. Okay, so children, one thing you have to remember, that when you are reading the chapter, as I have told you, you have to underline all those important terms which I have asked you during the time we were doing the chapter, because those points are very important and essential. Okay, so अगर आप underline कर लोगे, so you can easily solve the questions or exercise which is given at the back side of chapter. Okay, now next, यहाँ पे आप fast को 3 marking दोगे. Then a computer never gets tired. Okay, आप children पहले reading करोगे chapter की again, then you will start solving the back exercise part. Okay, so please again revise the chapter before doing this exercise. Now next one is, here match the following options are given to you. Okay, so you have to, this is the A part, which are machines given to you in the option, and then the second side, the right side, is given to you with some things here. Okay, so children, यहाँ machines जो हैं, these are related to these थिंग्स. ओके, आपको यहाँ पे मैच करना है कौन सी मशीन कौन सी थिंग से रिलेटेड है. ओके, सो वी विल बिगिन. फर्स्टली इट्स गिवन एज टोस्टर. सो टोस्टर इज अ मशीन, एंड चिल्ड्रन यू ऑल नो दैट you toast your bread slices inside the toaster. So you will draw a line between a toaster and a bread slice. All right. Next one is washing machine. So washing machine में क्या करते हैं हम children? We wash the dirty clothes inside the washing machine. So you have to look for the option of dirty clothes here. So here at last you can see the option is given here at the last, and you have to combine these two. Okay, you have to match these two options. Now next is the juicer. Juicer में children, you always juicer is related to the fruits. Okay, juicer में आप juice को ऑब्टेन करते हो. ओके, फ्रूट्स पहले आप जूसर में यूज करोगे, देन एट लास्ट यू विल गेट द जूस from those fruits. So juicer is related to the fruits. Okay, next one is music system. So music system, children, is it's always related to the CDs and DVDs. Okay, म्यूजिक सिस्टम आप कैसे प्ले करते हो, आप उसमें पहले CD को इंस्टॉल करोगे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट जब आप इनपुट CD डालोगे म्यूजिक सिस्टम में, देन यू कैन हियर योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग. ओके, so these are the match the followings. Now we will come to the true and false here on the next page, number 12. So first one is we can play games on a computer. Is it right or wrong? आपको children true और false का meaning होता है, आपको यहाँ पे बताना है that which these questions given to you here, you have to find out which one is the right one and which one is the wrong one. So we can play games on a computer. So they are asking you, is it true or false? Is it right or wrong? So yes, it is true. True का meaning होता है children right option, and false का meaning होता है wrong. Okay, so आप कंप्यूटर पे गेम्स खेल सकते हैं. Yes, it's true. Next one, a computer makes mistakes. So now they are asking, क्या children computer mistakes भी करता है? No, that means false. Then machines do not save our time. Now they are saying कि machines जो होती है children, they never save your time. It is also false. Why? Because machine always and always save our time. Okay, because our work gets completed very fast by the help of machines. So it is a false option. Next one, a washing machine runs on electricity. Is it true or false? Yes, because you all know washing machine is an electronic device and it runs on electricity. So it is a true option. It is the right option. Okay, so I hope these true or false concept is clear to you. Now we will come to the tick the right answers. Okay, so here we will tick the correct option given to you out of these three options. Okay, आपको चिल्ड्रन क्वेश्चन गिवन होगा, आपको क्वेश्चन रीड करना है, एंड देन उसके नीचे आपको 3 ऑप्शंस गिवन होंगे, एंड आपको क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग गेस करना है तीनों ऑप्शन में से विच वन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, so let's start. Which of the following things is man-made? So here 3 options are given to you. You have to tell which one is the man-made. Is it tree, table or animal? So guess children. Yes, here table is the man-made thing. Okay, because tree is natural thing, animal is also natural thing, and third one table, it is man-made. Okay, Which of the following machines work with human power? So अब आपको बताना है कौन सी मशीन चिल्ड्रन ह्यूमन पावर की हेल्प से हम उसको ऑपरेट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज कार, सेकेंड वन इज रिक्शा, एंड थर्ड वन इज मिक्सर. मिक्सर विल रन ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, राइट, एंड कार विल रन ऑन फ्यूल. आपने पीछे रीड भी किया है चैप्टर में, राइट. बट रिक्शा जो होती है चिल्ड्रन, इट रिक्वायर अ ह्यूमन पावर टू रन. ओके, नेक्स्ट डैश रन्स ऑन फ्यूल. अब आपको बताना है फ्यूल पे कौन सा ऑप्शन इन तीनों में से करेक्ट है चिल्ड्रन. इट्स साइकिल, कंप्यूटर और कार. राइट नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट कार रन्स ऑन फ्यूल, सो कार इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन, अ कंप्यूटर रन्स ऑन फ्यूल, ह्यूमन पावर और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो गेस चिल्ड्रन व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. कंप्यूटर किस पे रन करता है? फ्यूल पे. Either it's human power or it's electricity. So our answer will be electricity. Okay, so the computer always runs on electricity. Okay, so children, today we will end our class till here. You have to revise the chapter, then you have to start solving this exercise part, and you have to do till the tick the right answers. Okay. Now next part we will do in our next lecture. So that's all for today's class, children. Thank you for watching.